Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPad runs the latest iPad OS and that Freeform is installed. Once done, open the app from the home screen. It launches directly into boards. Tap the plus icon and choose New Board to begin. You're initiating a blank canvas, so name it briefly if you want. Make sure to grant permissions for camera or microphone when prompted, because you may add photos or voice notes later. This gets you into an editable space immediately, ready for content. You'll now populate the board. Tap the plus to add text boxes, images, sticky notes, shapes, or imported files. Once items appear, use pinch and rotate gestures to resize and orient them. Drag with one finger to reposition. Make sure to use smart guides and snapping to align elements cleanly. This keeps layout tidy. To move multiple objects, draw a lasso around them and then drag as a group. You can also change colors, fonts, and stroke weights to emphasize hierarchy as you refine the composition. Finish by sharing and saving. Tap Share to invite people, choose whether they can edit or view, and send the link. Export to PDF or save images into files for backups. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so changes persist across devices. If something goes wrong, like missing items, first tap Undo, then open Layers to locate hidden objects and verify iCloud Sync in Settings. If sync still fails, force quit and reopen Freeform. This often resolves transient sync or display glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.